The students are on field semester, which is a series of biology courses that they take in blocks, and they get intense immersive learning, and the Nature Center serves as an excellent location for this.
So we have this property which has a pond, and it has some streams, and it has forest and fields and prairie habitats. So there's a lot of cool habitat that we have on the property, but we usually go on day trips too. Like we went to Salt Fork and we went to Cuyahoga National Park. And so we get to see really cool different habitats because every different habitat has their own systems that make it unique.
Probably the most adventurous class we have is called Field Skills. It's only a weekend class, and the first day we went tree climbing, where we learned how to rappel this huge oak tree. And then we also went orienteering, which is like map and compass work and learning how to figure that out. And then the next day we went rock rappelling and rock climbing, as well as more orienteering. And the last day we went to Salt Fork State Park, and we kayaked as we were orienteering, so we kind of had to figure out how to go on the water.
The students get a very strong field training in the courses that they take.
About 9 classes, 2 weeks long. I really get a taste of everything, which is nice.
One of my favorite experiences actually came last night when Debbie just took us out on the driveway and let me do my owl calls. So I love birds, and so owls I just think are fascinating. So I've been working really hard on my eastern screech owl and my barred owl calls to see if we can try to call them in. And so that was one of my favorite things that we've done so far.
You never know what you're going to encounter or what you're going to see. The Metzger Nature Center opened to ONU students in 1990. We're incredibly fortunate to have this facility and the ability to take the students away and house them here and allow them to really explore. And the field semester is an incredibly unique experience that we have at ONU, and it really sets our program, and at the end of the day, most importantly, our students apart from their peers.
We can do, night hikes into the woods or explore the creeks and, walk up and down this hill about 20 times a day. And just walking in, I didn't even expect there to be showers. I didn't expect anything. And it's just really awesome to have, your own classroom, your own lab room, all of these different places.
Our field biology is actually pretty revered. I didn't realize that, but when you're looking for jobs, that fieldwork and research experience is incredibly valuable. They want you to know how to bushwhack, how to orienteer, how to go kayaking, how to be in boats comfortably, boat safety information, chainsaw safety information, how to use different monitoring equipment for stream monitoring and habitat samples and things like that. All of those skills are resume builders that give us a leg up in those types of industries.
We get the opportunity to go down to Florida. We take marine and coastal conservation with Dr. Krynak. We get the opportunity to take the field test for the wildland fire training, and then that allows us to do prescribed burns or join a wildland fire crew if that's something we'd be interested in doing.
After they wrap up here, they'll travel down to the Panhandle region, Apalachicola, and spend 2 weeks there. And then in the later part of the fall semester, they'll go to Lake Jocassee in South Carolina and spend 2 weeks there.
I think the best part of it is just going back to the hands-on experiential component. I think that's one of the best things about this field semester is they're not sitting at a desk taking notes. They are actually in the field doing it, and they know how to do it when they leave, and that's invaluable to employers.
They get the opportunity to meet with other professionals, they begin to network, and sometimes it leads to even internships and full-time jobs. So there's lots of opportunities that come out of the field semester, and the results have been really positive in terms of job placement